Got an OID brush preset for ArtRage and want to load it into your digital painting workflow? These files contain custom oil brush configurations from talented digital artists. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and use these ArtRage oil brush preset files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective OID file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. Digital artists using the ArtRage software encounter .oid files when they want to save, share, or install custom oil brush presets. The user's intent is to expand their creative toolkit by loading a specific brush configuration that mimics the behavior of a real-world oil brush in the software. An .oid file is a binary data file containing the specific parameters that define an oil brush's behavior in ArtRage. This includes settings like paint thickness, loading, and thinner concentration. A binary format is used to efficiently store this complex set of properties and protect the proprietary brush engine's settings. This proprietary format is best opened by ArtRage from Ambient Design Ltd for the OID type. To unlock the full potential of this format, a dedicated program is required for rendering. Windows exposes the file's contents, yet modifications must be done with care to avoid misconfiguration. We are performing a vital check of your system's software. Right-click your OID file and choose Open With. Test with ArtRage first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple compatibility swap. If you cannot access the OID file, no problem. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here is a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your OID problem. First, importing into ArtRage. Launch ArtRage and select the Oil Brush tool. In the Tool Settings panel, locate the Preset menu and choose Import or Load Preset. Browse to the OID file and select it. The preset becomes available in the Brush Presets list for immediate use on your canvas, with all custom settings applied. Next, saving preset location. ArtRage stores preset files in a user-specific presets directory. To install OID files manually, place them in the ArtRage Presets Tools Oil folder under your user documents. After restarting ArtRage, the imported presets appear in the Oil Brush preset list alongside built-in and previously imported brush configurations. Finally, sharing custom presets. Create your own OID preset files by configuring oil brush settings in ArtRage and using Save Preset. Share OID files with other ArtRage users to distribute custom brush behaviors. The presets work across ArtRage versions when format compatibility is maintained, though very old presets may need updates for newer releases. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.